Hey guys, Digital David here. Today I'll be unboxing and reviewing the Oittm Smart Outdoor Outlet. Really excited for this product. Now, shout out to them. They did send me this to review, and I have been blessed to be able to review their smart switch on my channel as well. I'm really a big fan of that and definitely wanted to get my hands on this as well too for some outdoor applications. So any review expressed in this video though is my own. I'm not being compensated by them. They just sent me the item. So everything I say is from my own thoughts, and I just love for you guys to make your own thoughts and opinions too. So here's how it comes packaged to you. I got this from Amazon. The link to this will be in my video description below. Go ahead, check it out. And also while you're at it, check out the Smart Switch. Really big fan of their stuff. It all integrates with the Smart Life app, so it can work with your Amazon Alexa or your Google Assistant. They have really cool packaging. Really like the graphics and their design. It's really clean. Love the white and black. It's really simple. Product specs, this is IP44 rated. Working voltage, it says AC 90 to 250 volts, so 15 amp, 125 volt rated voltage. Working temp, -20 to 45 degrees Celsius, which is -4 degrees to 113 degrees Fahrenheit. Compatible with Android and iOS. That's the back. Tells you all the stuff I just read to you. Again, that link in my video description below can tell you about it online. So the brand, Oittm. The budget, I think it's around 30 bucks. And now we'll go ahead, we'll open it up and see what the build is like. Here it is right out of the package, really cool. And the instructions. Their instruction manual is really helpful, so it's really good to have. Here is the first thing out that says, attention, new customer, want 3-year replacement service for free, register your device. So that's cool. You might want to keep that, especially if you're going to use this outdoor. And again, this is an outdoor smart outlet. So I was thinking if you want to control maybe some Christmas lights or some outdoor lighting with this, that'll be cool because you can set a schedule online, or you can just use your phone to turn it on and off each night. So that Smart Life app's pretty easy to use and straightforward. But yeah, so this is really cool. Really excited for this. Instructions are straightforward. You can look at them. Basically, you'll plug the device in, use Bluetooth, or reset the device so it can be flashing, so it can recognize it through your network, and then you'll be good to go to add it in the app. So that's the instructions. Now let's look at the device itself. Get it out of the package. Here it is. So that's really, really neat. Looks really good. Looks like it's going to be able to hold up. So far, so good. I'm happy with that, but I will go ahead and see if we can get the cap off. So they got that nice rubber seal right there for it. And then you can just plug in your device. So I'm thinking that I'll probably end up going outside for this video, or maybe I'll do something in here, but so we can see this in action. Might just get an extension cord right here from the table, I'm thinking, and we'll be able to plug this in, set it up online. You can see it turn the lamp on and off. So that's what we're going to do now. Hey guys, now we're back. I got this whole little setup going, so I plugged it into an extension cord. Here's a lamp just so you can see that this will work great. Now what's nice is they got this power button on here so you can just turn it on and off manually, but we're going to go ahead now and set it up. So if you got a device, go ahead, hook up the Smart Life app to your phone. You can download from Android, Google Play Store, or the iOS App Store. So I'm going to go ahead now, we'll use my phone, and we'll add this device. So really excited for this. Again, click on the Smart Life app. This is what it'll take you to. I got a light switch and a family room lamp that are offline right now. So we're going to try to add a new device. So it says it's going to be using Bluetooth to scan. So let me turn that on really quick. I've never had that much luck with the Bluetooth working for some reason, even though my device is super close. So we'll let that scan for a second. Maybe you have better luck, but if not, you can just add it. See, it says no devices to be connected. I'll rescan for a second, but never had luck. So we'll have to go ahead and pick which one through the list it is. And you can see they have a ton of different options. And we're going to pick electrical outlet. That should be the one. So hit electrical outlet, confirm, indicator rapidly blink. And so it sure is blinking between, it's blinking red back and forth. Oh, there's my Wi-Fi password again. I got to confirm that. It says it's connecting now. The device has now been registered successfully. Its name is Outdoor Outlet, which is fine for me right now. You can change that, which is great. You can share with your family, which is cool, but I'm going to go ahead and just click Done. and now it's here. So we'll use the app to turn it on and off, as you can see. So there's a big power button. You ready? On and off, just from my phone. On, off. And then what's cool is the outlet actually lights up, the LED lights up blue when it's powered on. So it's on right now. And then you can also just go back to the main screen of the app and control it with that little power button. And then there's some common functions. Let me click on it again. And there's all these options. So switch, right there. Schedule, you can add a schedule. Oops, that's the recording app. But you can add a schedule, so repeat only once, which days of the week. What it does is it turn it on or off, and you can save that right there. There's a timer, so when do you want it to turn off? After 15 minutes, that's pretty cool. So you can click OK. And then statistics, it'll actually tell you the current, the power, the voltage, and it'll break it down by month, so you can actually even learn more about your energy consumption. Really an awesome app. Great brand, really happy with their products so far. Also reviewed some smart mini plugs too that they sell. I reviewed for a different brand, but they are the same item. They even use the same brand. So a lot of these companies, I guess, will almost sell you an identical product. It'll just have a different brand name. But I really like Oittm so far. They've been really good to me. Good company and great little products. Again, if you're looking for an outdoor smart outlet, this is a great one. Again, it's good enough brand, good enough on your budget, and the build seems great. So it seems like it'll last a while for some outdoor use. So really excited about this product, really cool. Go ahead, check it out in my video description below. Love for you guys to leave some likes, comments, shares. Feel free to subscribe to this channel too. I have lots of products coming up in the future too, and continue to grow with more manufacturers and partners each day. So thank you guys so much for watching and being part of this channel, and I will see you all in the next video.